Hey, Creative Writers, it's your instructor, Cody Miller. I'm here with our week, what is it? Week 13, week 12 update, something like that. Regardless, it's the one leading us into the workshop portion of the class. So remember that group one should have had their stories posted by last Thursday in their forum. And now what's going to happen is by Tuesday, at the beginning of class, group 2, 3, and 4 should choose 2 stories. So each student from group 2, 3, or 4 will go in, choose 2 stories, and leave comments on them according to the guidelines posted on Moodle. So let me share my screen with you here so that you can, so that I can make sure you know where all of this stuff is. So look at our screen. If you are in the assignment area of Moodle, you will see that we have the workshop flash fiction forums, the first item down on that page. You have the flash fiction post directions. That's where all the directions are. Now, when we click into group one, you'll see that as of now, we have, it looks like 5 posts there. Fantastic. What you need to make sure that you do is if you are in group 2, 3, or 4, you now go in and choose 2 of these stories and you leave comments on. And then when you come to class on Tuesday, you're prepared to talk about these in class when we're in a circle together, okay? Group 1, since you posted your story, basically finished at this point for that part of the class. What you need to do is bring a hard copy of your actual story with you, or make sure you can pull it up on your computer so that you can take notes. That's part of workshop, is making sure that you have something to write on, making sure that you can keep track of what people are saying, different strategies for getting through workshop, and making sure you're taking constructive criticism with you, okay? So we covered the workshop. I do want to make sure that you understand that the workshop sheet, if I go back to our main page, if you're at all worried about what's going to happen in class, how is it going to operate, all of that, remember that we do have the workshop protocol sheet here in the in-class material to show students. So that's there. You can click on it. It'll walk you through the process for how workshop will go. I do want to remind you as well of Journal 6. Journal 6 is in the assignment area. It is open, ready for you to post. Journal 6, last journal, I believe, for this semester. I think that's a positive for many of you. It's posted right here. Just simply make sure you get it done, reach the minimum requirements, and focus on that last part especially, which is those 5 positive hypothetical comments you could leave someone. That is due Thursday at 11:59. Remember, that's our last semester. One final thing that I want to make sure that I notify you of is we do have the date settled for open mic night, so that extra credit opportunity. I know many of you were looking forward to that. Unfortunately, with the snow day, it got canceled, but rescheduled. So that will be rescheduled for December 3rd. I believe that is a Tuesday. Let me just verify just to make sure. Yep, December 3rd, Tuesday, from 4:30 to 5:30. Okay, so it's shifted earlier in the day, and that's because we have a cultural diversity event that's taking place later in the day, so we needed to shift it forward. So now that's not going to take place in the SAC Theater. It will take place in room 701 in Doherty. That's where our classroom is, the building our classroom is, but across the hall. So it's the auditorium that's in Doherty, okay? So remember, if you attend that event, and you sign in at the beginning and you sign out and you do the follow-up assignment for it, which will be posted, you'll get 10 points in the gradebook extra credit. If you attend the event, you sign in at the beginning, sign out at the end, do the follow-up assignment, and read at the event, it would be 15 points in the gradebook. All right. So I hope that you all enjoy your weekend. Email me if you have any questions. I'll be grading throughout the weekend. You should see things going into the gradebook and so forth. But email me. That's what I'm here for. And lastly, stay brilliant. Take care, everyone.